Good morning guys. Today in this video, I will demonstrate you very simple billing software for the garment boutique shop industries. Also gift shop and all. This feature is especially for such kind of business. They are unable to control their inventory. For example, you are running a business since long time and you have a very huge stock and very minimal employees in your shop, and we need to take all the stock quantity and upload in the software. It's literally a horrible job. To overcome this situation, we found a innovative technology called Gorilla technology, and we successfully implemented in a retail data billing software. Let's have a look. Now let me go to Gorilla technology, and it's very simple panel. Before going to Gorilla technology, look at that. There is some shortcodes are there. For example, ESA, ESH. Let me show you what is that. I'm going to directly going to the sales panel. Look at that. I just click on this button and I'm typing something. Look at this carefully. For example, SA, you can type even capital letter, SA 900. Okay. Again, SA 1200. Okay. Again, ESH 800. Okay. Let me take the invoice printout. Then you may surprise. Look at that. Click on this button, quick pay button, and look at that. Look at this. What is that? You added 3 products, right? And you put some short codes, and here Sari Kanchipuram, again Sari Kanchipuram. Both are in different prices. Look at that. And again shirt, you put a short code ESH. And see, look at that, 800 rupees. And look at the total everything. And the surprising fact, you will get a complete GST report. I will show you that GST report at the end of this video. Before that, we will add some more products in the Gorilla, and you may confuse that how you will control the taxes, how you will control the units. Correct? Let me show you. Let me go to the Gorilla again. Before click a new jeans. For example, I want to sell some jeans. For example, you in your shop, maybe thousands of jeans are there at stock, but you need to add only one. Really, only one pieces you need to add. JE already, jeans is already there. For example, any other products we are going to add. T-shirt, T I added T-shirt, T-shirt. Okay, I put short code TE. And now the units in kgs, but we can change by default. Like you can put in the pieces, like pieces, okay? And GST by default it came 0, but you can add 5, whatever it is, and enter. Okay. This way you can add. And now let me show you this T-shirt how we are going to sell. Let me go to the sale panel again. TE 900, enter, and TE, for example, 1200 rupees, enter. Whatever the price in the maybe we will put some small slip in the T-shirts, each and every T-shirts, and this is the price. And we will take the product and we will look at, okay. And for example, T-shirt, for example, 500 rupees. Okay. And along with that, we need to sell some sari, SA, for example, 1,900 rupees. Okay. Let me take the printout. Go to quick pay button. One button you will get the printout. Look at that. T-shirt. 900 rupees, 1200 rupees, 500 rupees. Look at that. And one more product we added, sari, 1900 rupees. All together, the price is here. Really, it's a very fantastic experience. Again, let me go to Gorilla. And let me show you something else called set default. What is that? Now, before going to set default, I will show you. Now, when you are clicking new, look at that here. It's coming kgs. Here it's coming 0. It's not okay. For example, we are adding continuously, like garments products. We need to, for example, 5% GST, and the quantity should be in pieces by default. So we can set it by default by clicking over here, like a unit. Click on that, like pieces, and set default. Here you will go to the GST, set default. Okay, and there is so many things are there. I will come to that. Please wait. Like now I am clicking over here. Just click new. Now you will get that particular default unit and default tags. It's interesting, right? Okay. Now, we need to create some barcode labels for those products which we added right now. The special advantages of this Gorilla technology is that we can handle a huge inventory by adding some few products in this Gorilla. That is the main technology. Like, for example, this product, t-shirt we added, and we need to make some tags, barcode tags. For example, 1,900 rupees t-shirt, enter, and your tag is buy ready here. And you can directly print it and you can fix it in your t-shirts. Like, and when you are scanning this product by the help of a barcode reader or a scanner, and exactly 1,900 rupees will add to the cart. Okay. Now I am changing the figure here, like 1,200 rupees. Just enter, and your 1,200 rupees tag is here. Look at that. And when you are scanning this one, exactly as I told you. Okay. Now I want to make it, for example, 500 rupees. Okay. Here it is. And notice the point. Here your product name is there. Here the price is there, and here the barcode labels are there. Okay. Now I need to go for a sari like that. Look at that. Click on the sari, and sari, for example, 600 rupees. Enter, and here it is. Look at that, sari and 600 rupees. And now the template I want to change. For example, here 800 rupees. Enter. The design. Look at that. I want to go for another design. So what you will do? It's very simple. Let me show you. Like, go to the set default, and here so many designs are there. Here you can see the template designs. Especially for garment industry, we make some vertical types of tags. Look at that. This is beautiful. I think this is more beautiful. So many different are there, sizes are. Look at that. I really love this. And just apply this design. Okay, successfully applied. And now we are going to make a tag for the 650 rupees. Okay, look at that. It's completely different. Now here, in this logo here, you can do the customization. You can put your own logo here. That's why we put it over here. You can put your own logo, your company, shop logo, whatever it is. And here it is. And if you want add some additional information, you can of course add some additional informations in this by the end of this tag. Okay. Now, if you want to export the data, so of course there is options are there. And let me show you some interesting things in this Gorilla technology. Like here you can see when you are going to the set default, here see default 00 discount rates. Let me make a sale and I will come back to this point. Look at that. Now, for example, I am adding, for example, shirt 900 rupees. There is no discount by default. Look at that, 00 discount. When I am making the invoice, there is no discount at all. Yes, look at that, there is nothing. 00 discounts. Okay. Now, let me apply some percentage of discount in the default settings. Go to the default settings. Discount, for example, 15% I added here by default, 15%, and click on set default. Okay, close it. Now I am going to the sale panel and shirt 900. Okay. Now you can see that the default discount is successfully applied and the amount you can see over here corresponding to the 900 rupees. And the tax rates are there, everything is there. Let me take a printout, quick printout. Let me show you. Here it is. Discount rate is successfully applied. And if you make such kind of discounts by default, your customer may happy, and all the informations you can see over here. Look at that, how beautiful it is. You can directly print this invoice with the help of a thermal printer. And now let me show you some more things. For example, I will remove that discount percentage. I will add a discount from the front end as well. That also I will show you. Like for example, I am just removing this, delete it and 0. Okay, make it 0 and set it default. Okay, now I am going to sell it. And for example, shirt 900 rupees. Enter. Currently there is no discount by default, but you can add your discount with the help of keyboard shortcut. Yes. There is two ways you can add discount. One is amount discount, another one is percentage discount. For the amount discount, you need to click on Shift. For the percentage discount, Shift D. For example, 10% discount. Okay, discount 10% discount applied. And again you are adding another shirt for the 1,300 rupees. Enter. And here you need to apply for amount discount. So Shift A for amount. For example, 30 rupees discount. Apply. Enter. Automatically 30 rupees applied over here. Look at that. Before it was 10%. Corresponding to the price, it came over here. So this is the way you need to apply the discounts. Now again I am adding some shirts for 1,800 rupees. Here you need to change the quantity. By default the quantity will be 1 pieces. So if you want to change the quantity, how you can do it? Shift Q. So you will get the quantity. If you want to make it 6 pieces, same product you make it like that, and here it is 6 pieces. Let me click on the quick pay button. Oh my God, here it is. Look at that. First of all, you add a 10% discount. Again, you add a 30 rupees discount. And again, you change the quantity to the 6 pieces. Altogether, prices are here. Complete discount amount is here. How beautiful it is. And your company name, everything will come here automatically when you are adding the company information in the software. And see, to be honestly, this is a fantastic technology. Let me show you the tax reports also. Tax reports, go to the tax reports, and here you will go for the sales register item wise. Here it is. And today, whatever the sales you have done, it's all here. Look at that, shirt, sari, kanjipuram, whatever it is. As on today's date, look at that. And just I am dragging this cursor to the right side. Look at that. Look. All the GST bifurcation you can see over here, whatever the percentage of GST, everything. You can just simply export this Excel sheet and you can go to the chartered accountant to file your monthly tax returns. And this is the one part of Retail Daddy, not complete features. This is maybe 1% of features I explained in front of you. There are so many advanced technologies are included in Retail Daddy billing software. So many features, WhatsApp features, SMS, and the Rubik sales panel is very interesting sales panel. So many people, they love this. And just have some look into our channel and you will get more information about this software. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Welcome. Bye-bye.